Hi friends, it's Chef Rama here. Let me tell you what we're making today. We are making fish sticks, okay? And I say that because we're using tofu with a herby yogurt dipping sauce. We're using the 12-in-1 combo, which you guys know, this is the appliance to have. Let's start off with the fish sticks. We have our tofu, which is cut into long rectangle pieces, coated with arrowroot starch, some dried parsley, some garlic powder, and some lemon zest, and some salt and pepper. Let me start with our yogurt dipping sauce. This looks amazing and I didn't even deep fry it. I am here every week with an easy Facebook Live recipe and YouTube. See you soon. Bye.